Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Car Reviewer, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any exciting car reviews. Today, we've got something truly special for you. It's the return of an iconic name, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Yes, you heard that right. The Beetle is back and it's bigger, bolder, and more modern than ever. Stick around as we take a deep dive into everything this new model has to offer. Now, if you've been following VW over the years, you know the Beetle has been through several iterations, from the classic air-cooled engine model to the more recent front-wheel drive version. It's always been a fan favorite for its unique design and fun-to-drive nature. But what happens when you bring a vintage icon into the electric age? Let's find out. Design. First things first, the exterior. The 2025 VW Beetle retains that instantly recognizable, round body shape that has made it a cultural symbol for decades. But don't be fooled, this isn't just a retro throwback. VW has managed to modernize the look while keeping that signature charm intact. The new Beetle sits on a fresh platform, slightly larger than its predecessor, giving it more interior space and a more aggressive stance. Up front, you'll notice the iconic oval headlights, but they've been given a modern twist with sleek LED lighting. The grille, too, has been reimagined with a more refined, angular design. Overall, the Beetle looks both retro and futuristic at the same time. It's the perfect blend of old-school vibes with cutting-edge tech. The body, now with clean lines and sharper edges, gives it a sportier, more contemporary look without losing its playful character. It's clear that VW has put a lot of thought into making sure this new Beetle appeals to both nostalgic fans and younger buyers looking for something fresh and fun. Interior. Inside, the 2025 Beetle continues that mix of nostalgia and modernity. The interior is full of surprises, blending retro-inspired details with state-of-the-art technology. The dashboard features a central touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with the car's sleek design. VW has kept the round speedometer, a hallmark of the Beetle, but it's now a high-definition digital display. The seats, made from eco-friendly materials, are both comfortable and stylish, with leather and fabric options available depending on your trim choice. The cabin feels spacious, especially considering this is a compact car. One of the key upgrades here is the new infotainment system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium sound system, ensuring that your road trips are as enjoyable as they are efficient. What I really like about the interior is how VW has managed to keep that classic, fun feel while making the cabin more refined. There's no denying that it feels like a step into the future, but with every touch, there's a sense of familiarity that brings you back to the Beetle's roots. Performance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, or should I say, under the floor. That's right. The 2025 VW Beetle has gone electric. This is a big step for the iconic model, and it's clear VW is embracing the future of driving with this fully electric powertrain. The electric motor delivers smooth, instant torque, making acceleration fun and effortless. With up to 300 horsepower, the Beetle offers a punchy ride that's perfect for city driving and highway cruising, whether you're navigating tight urban streets or taking it on a long road trip. The 2025 Beetle feels nimble and agile, just like its older gas-powered predecessors. Thanks to the new MEB platform, the Beetle's handling has also seen significant improvements. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, gives the car a balanced and stable ride, even when you push it through tight corners. The suspension system has been tuned for comfort, making daily drives smooth and enjoyable. Range is another big deal with electric vehicles, and VW has ensured that the Beetle doesn't disappoint. With a range of over 250 miles on a single charge, you won't have to worry about running out of juice on your daily commute or weekend getaways. Plus, the 2025 Beetle supports fast charging, so you can juice up the battery to 80% in just about 30 minutes with the right charger. Technology and safety. As we mentioned earlier, the 2025 Beetle is packed with tech. The infotainment system is quick, intuitive, and highly responsive, but it's the safety features that are really worth mentioning. VW has made sure that this new model includes the latest in driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. One of the standout features is the new 360-degree camera system, giving you a bird's eye view of your surroundings, perfect for tight parking spaces or urban driving. The Beetle also comes equipped with a suite of airbags, stability control, and a reinforced safety cell to ensure that you're protected in the event of a collision. For anyone looking to keep their tech game strong, the Beetle's advanced connectivity options are a huge plus. In addition to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the Beetle also supports over-the-air software updates, meaning your car can improve over time without needing to visit the dealer. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is back, and it's better than ever. With a modern electric powertrain, a stylish yet familiar design, and a tech-packed interior, the Beetle is ready to take on the future while keeping the spirit of the original alive. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the classic Beetle or someone looking for a fun, efficient, and eco-friendly ride, the 2025 Beetle checks all the boxes. It's a true testament to how a beloved car can evolve while staying true to its roots. That's all for today's review. What do you think of the new VW Beetle? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from the Auto Car Reviewer. Until next time, keep on driving.